Let's start by adding an icosahedron. Select it and enter modeler mode. Scale it down to around 50%. Next, add a torus donut. Tap on the Properties panel and adjust some parameters. Decrease the ring and pipe segment count. Increase the ring and pipe radius. Enter modeler mode and switch to point edit mode. Tap on Twist and apply it along the y-axis. Go back to scene mode. Move both objects to the back. Select the icosahedron and assign a material to it. Next, add a poly mesh for Saturn. Select it and enter modeler mode. Select all polygons and apply an inset. Then extrude them inward. Go back to scene mode. Assign a material to it. Select the icosahedron first, then shift-select the donut object. Apply the points clone operation. Set the percentage value to 100. Enable random rotation and random scaling. Hide the donut and icosahedron in the layer panel. Finally, reposition the view. Turn on the turntable preview. That's all for this simple tutorial. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.